Hello everyone, welcome to the series of 250 plus MCQs on computer fundamentals. So let's begin with today's video. Switching device of 5th generation computer is answer VLSI. Dash computers operate essentially by counting. Answer digital computer. Blank computer is small general purpose microcomputer but larger than portable computer. Answer desktop. Cathode ray tube is a form of answer monitor. Trackball is input device. Blank computer is medium size computer. Answer mini. Blank computers are of large size. Answer mainframe computers. Notebook, laptop, palm, handheld computers are coming under the category of blank computers. Answer portable computers. Light pen and joystick are answer input devices. Touchscreen is answer both A and B. Blank printer is cheapest in terms of price and operating cost. Answer dot matrix. Blank printer is non-impact printer and is quite in working. Answer inkjet. Blank are high-end printers. Answer laser. Blank are used for plotting graphs and design on papers. Answer plotters. Daisy wheel, drum, chain are answer printers. Blank are specific to users' need. Answer application software. Joshi perfumes are the examples of answer computer viruses. Which of the following are the operating system? Answer all of this. MAN stands for answer Metropolitan Area Network. Which of the following is network topology? Answer bus. Which of the following is type of network? Answer PAN. VoIP stands for answer voice over IP. The first web browser is answer Mosaic. LAN stands for local area network. Blank are a set of rules and procedures to control the data transmission over the internet. Answer protocol. NOS stands for answer network operating system. Dash are the system software to facilitate editing of text and the data. Answer editors. Computers combine both measuring and counting are called as answer hybrid. In world today, most of the computers are answer digital. Physical structure of computer is answer hardware. In which of the type of computer data is represented as discrete signal? Answer digital computer. Which of the following is available in the form of PC now? Answer microcomputer. Param is an example of answer supercomputer. What is the smallest unit of information? Answer bit. Dash is the process of dividing the disk into track and sectors. Answer formatting. How many color dots make up one color pixel on a screen? Answer 3. The technology that stores only essential instructions on a microprocessor chip and thus enhances its speed is referred to as answer RISC. Which is not basic function of a computer? Answer: copy text. ASCII is a coding system that provides. Answer: 1024 different characters. Which part of the computer is directly involved in executing the instructions of the computer program? Answer: the processor. What kind of a memory is both static and non-volatile? Answer: ROM. How is the data stored on the diskette? Answer: magnetism. Which of the following is not a binary number? Answer: 202. Which of the following does not store data permanently? Answer: RAM. Which of the following is smallest storage? Answer: none of this. Which of the following is the extension of Notepad? Answer: .txt. Which of the following natural element is the primary element in computer chips? Answer: silicon. A modem is connected to. Answer: a telephone line. Which of the following is not one of the internal component of CPU? Answer: floppy disk. In a computer, most processing takes place in. Answer: CPU. Which of the following is not storage medium? Answer: scanner. The computer abbreviation KB usually means. Answer: kilobyte. The typical computer criminal is. Answer: trusted employee with no criminal record. The common name for crime of stealing password is. Answer: spoofing. Collecting personal information and effectively posing as another individual is known as identity theft. Malicious software is also known as. Answer: malware. A program that performs useful tasks while simultaneously allowing destructive acts. Answer: Trojan horse. An intentionally disruptive program that spreads from program to program or from disk to disk is. Answer: virus. In 1999, the malicious virus was widely published. Answer: email virus. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.